Alright guys, what we got here is the 177 Air Venturi Avenger, okay, with the composite stock. Alright, we're going to be doing some testing on this. Okay, let's take a quick look at it. Push this back. There we go. We'll be doing some ammo testing with this. Several different ammos. Eventually we'll get back to testing some of my ammos, but for right now we'll be showing some testing on some other ammos from the Air Venturi 177. And for this video looks like we got the clips here. 2 clips. Okay. We've got an Allen wrench right here for adjustment, and a couple of replacement O-rings for the probably the caulking or the probe. Excuse me. So we have an instruction manual, and that's the basics of it right there. Okay, so so here we go once again, the 177 Avenger, the composite stock. And so looks like it's got a little bit of air in it, probably just enough for shipping. Still got the plastic on the covers there. Looking good. Looking really good. Alright guys, here's the Avenger unboxing. We'll get to testing that with some ammo as soon as possible. Alright, catch you guys on the next one.